Quick question. What is 12% of 50? Do you know the answer? Most people wouldn't be able to figure that out instantly, right? But what if I told you that there's a magical math trick that lets you find the answer instantly, right in your head? Okay, here's the secret. Percentages are reversible. That means 12% of 50 is the same as 50% of 12. So instead of doing something complicated, just flip it. Now, what's 50% of 12? It's just half of 12, which is 6. So 12% of 50 is equal to 6. No calculator, no stress, just pure math magic. Cool, right? Let's do another example. What is 4% of 75? Now, at first glance, this doesn't look like an easy calculation, right? But here's a simple and powerful trick that makes it effortless. Like the first example, instead of calculating 4% of 75, we'll flip the numbers and find 75% of 4 instead. Since 75% is equal to 3 over 4, and 3 over 4 of 4 is exactly equal to 3. Therefore, 4% of 75 is also equal to 3. Ready for the next one? Let's do a different example. What is 64% of 25? Now we can repeat the process. Instead of doing 64% of 25, let's do 25% of 64. Since 25% is equal to 1 over 4, 1 over 4 of 64 is exactly equal to 16. Therefore, 64% of 25 is equal to 16. That was super fast! Now let's do a smaller one. What is 15% of 20? Let's go ahead and reverse the numbers. We will instead take 20% of 15. Now 20% is exactly equal to 1 over 5. 1 over 5 of 15 is equal to 3. So 15% of 20 is equal to 3. That was faster than a calculator. Lastly, let us consider a difficult one. Now, what is 23% of 52? With the same process, we can reverse it. So 23% of 52 will become 52% of 23. But there's a problem. There's no easy way to calculate it. The solution that we can make for this is to use a little bit of extra thinking. Since 52% can be broken down into 50% plus 2%, what can we do from there? Since 2% is exactly equal to double of 1%, now it is pretty easy to calculate 50% and 1%. So let's calculate 50% of 23. This will be half of 23, which is equal to 11.5. Now what's 1% of 23? We move the decimal point over by 2 spots, and this is equal to 0.23. If we double it, then it will be equal to 0.46. So now we're pretty ready to solve this question. 52% will be equal to 11.5 plus 0.46. Next, add these together, and we get 11.96. So 23% of 52 is equal to 11.96. Done neatly and mentally. Isn't that amazing? See how quickly we can find the value of a number using the reversible percentages? So now you know percentages can be reversed. It's one of those math magic tricks that's not just cool, it's backed by real math. Try it yourself and pick any 2 numbers and test it. You'll be amazed how often it saves time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple math tricks that make you smarter every day. See you in the next one.